Hey y'all, I want to show you how to wire the back of a canvas so that you can hang the canvas on a wall. Most galleries and shops require that your artwork be wired and not with sawtooth or any other kind of hanging thing. They actually, they want it done with wire. So let me show you how I go about doing that. What I've got here, your main ingredients are D-rings. These are D-ring picture hangers. They usually come in a packet, 2 or 4 or 6. They come in sets and the screws come with them. You will also need wire for hanging. This is picture wire. It's in the same section that you find the D-rings. And the other little odd thing that I do on the backs of my canvases is this is just, I don't know what it is. It's just plastic tubing. I'm not quite sure what it's used for. You get it from the home store. Don't ask me which section. Just go in and ask for, just show me where your plastic tubing is and you'll find it. How I use this is I just cut a little tiny section off and I actually put it on the wire before I put it onto the back of the canvas. And this protects your hands when you're holding the canvas in transport. I wish I could claim this as my brilliant idea. It is not. I got the idea from a fellow artist ages ago, and I've been doing it ever since. So your hands will thank you, and so will all the other hands that have to deal with your canvas. So let's get started. I actually have my husband here with me helping me because these canvases that I've got, these are Frederick's canvases. They are this wood. This is some serious wood, y'all. It's like from the hardest trees ever. And when I was wiring another canvas, I was having trouble. Normally I wire everything by hand. I screw and I do everything by hand. And these canvases they challenged my muscles. So I had to invoke the help of my hubs. So he is here with me. What I am doing, this is a 12 by 12 canvas. I like the wire to be on about a third of the way down from the top. Okay. So I am just making a mark at 4. And my wonderful hubs is going to come over and he is, so right now I'm just marking where I want the screw to go. So I'm just making, this is a nail. I'm just making a starter hole. Is that what you call it? Starter hole. Okay. So he's going to drill a hole that we can get the screw going into. Okay, awesome.
Pilot hole.
Pilot hole. All right, a pilot hole. Okay, so pilot's hole is started. I think, are we going to use the power tool to actually screw it in? No? Okay, so here we go. He's on standby in case if I cannot fully get this on my own. So just hand screwing it in. Oh, nope. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Oh, wait, I'm gonna make it. Y'all, I'm gonna make it. I made it. All right, look at that. I made it. Super tight. I don't like this to move. So, okay, don't go anywhere. Stay just in case. So here we go, the other side. Wow, the pilot hole really made a big difference. Wow, this is easy. Okay. Okay, awesome. I got it. Whoop, it just, now it won't go anymore. Can you see if you can get it one more? Just because I like it. I don't like the D-rings to swivel. Awesome. Okay, perfect. Awesome. Thank you. Okay, so the next step is we are going to measure out the wire. So I just hook the loose end in, fold it over about 2 inches, I guess, for me to be able to twist around. And so I'm just eyeballing about 2 inches over here and gonna give it a chop with the pliers. So my pliers just have wire cutters on them. Okay, so now I'm gonna hook this side in, and I am, oh wait, I gotta put my little plastic. I can't tell you how many times I almost forget this little plastic bit, but y'all, your hands will thank you. They will thank you, thank you. And when it comes to hanging, it just slides off to the side. So it doesn't, you know, it doesn't get in the way of, it doesn't get in the way of anything. Okay, so here we go. I am just wrapping, oh, no worries. I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna go ahead and get this wrapped in so that it'll stay. I pull it really tight. I try not to have too much give in the wire. Okay, let's just finish this side. So I'm just wrapping it under a few times, wrapping it through the D-ring. And then I'm gonna wrap it around itself right here. And this is where the wire, it kind of starts to splay and split a little bit. I'm gonna cover it with tape. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side, just wrapping it around the D-ring. Then I'm gonna wrap it around itself. I eyeballed way too much on this side, so I'm gonna chop it shorter. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap the ends of this wire with tape. And the reason I do this is to save the fingers because, you know, the wire splits, it'll split over time. It just, I can't tell you how many times I have nicked and scraped my fingers on hanging wire off of canvases. And think about it, y'all. Other people, if you're dropping your piece off to a gallery, if you're selling it to someone, if it's leaving your hands, someone else has to deal with your piece. You don't want them to get their fingers, you know, scratched and scraped up either. So we're just saving everybody's fingers from getting scraped. This, when you pick it up, now instead of having the wire cutting into your hand, you've got the little plastic protector. It can slide off to the side when it's time to hang, and it's wonderful. So there you have it. That's it. It's easy, it's fast. It maybe will take a couple of, a drill to drill the holes, or you might not want to hand screw the screws in. So just go ahead and use your power tool. But now this piece is totally ready to hang on the gallery wall. So happy creating, y'all.